Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to remove or drop index constraint in MySQL. So let's get started. So first let me create my table. So I will just run it. Yeah, so this is fine. I'm having two columns, one is ID and name. So now I will be adding the index constraint to my name column. So here you can see by using this command I will be adding the constraint. So I will just now run it. Yeah, I'm getting a green mark over here as well. So if I just now go to this command show index from my table, I'll be getting the list of indexes that we are having. So if I just now run it, yeah, I'm having here the column name. So just now we added this particular index constraint over to that column by using this command. So now I will just show you the command how you can remove this. So for that it's going to be the exact same alter keyword, alter table to be precise, alter table, then the table name, which is my table in my case, then drop index, then you need to specify your constraint of your index. So for me it is going to be name index over here. So I will just now copy it and paste it over here. And let's suppose say that if you don't know the name of the index, so for that what you need to do is you need to just run this command again, show index from my table. Yeah, and in this particular thing you will be having the key name that's going to be your index name. And in case if this particular name is not visible, you can just expand this particular heading. So this basically adjusts the column width. So you can do this if you don't know the index name. So let me just now go again. Yeah, so let me just now try deleting the index. So before that I will clear it. Yeah, and if I just now run this command, yeah, I'm getting a green mark. So if I just go and again show the indexes available in my table, you will be getting a blank table without any values now. So here you can see I'm not having, which means that the index that has been applied to my name column has been removed. And I hope you would have found this video useful. I have also done many other tutorials in Node.js, React.js, MySQL, MongoDB, C, C++, Python, Java. So do check other videos of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.